5 things you should not waste your money on. The world economy is now unstable due to various reasons. Maybe it adversely affects your country, city, or even your income. A sudden increase in your income may not be possible, but is it possible to stop unnecessary expenses? What do you say? So today we will talk about things where you are wasting your money. Expensive and fancy smartphone. You may not be able to spend a single day without a smartphone, but an expensive smartphone is unnecessary. The reason is that almost all smartphones now generally have similar features, and for the most part, everyone has a laptop, computer, or tab that can do other IT-based tasks. However, you may understand there is no point in wasting money on an expensive smartphone to show elegance and luxury. Cable TV. Nowadays, cable TV may seem surprising, but television has indeed become unnecessary in this modern era of technological advancement. Moreover, you can enjoy all the features of a TV sitting anywhere in the world with a net connection on your smartphone, tab, iPhone or MacBook, laptop or computer. So why are you wasting your money having a cable TV? Attractive offers of body fitness. Many people are getting fatter day by day. Some of them cannot sleep properly at night due to this anxiety. Then somewhere you saw the tempting offer of body fitness and started pouring your money to get fit. You can do a little gym practice at home by buying some necessary equipment and watching YouTube videos. Running for 15 to 20 minutes regularly in the morning will shed extra fat. And if there are more problems, the diet is enough according to the doctor's or nutritionist advice. Subscriptions you use rarely. Maybe you like watching games, movies or web series and so buying monthly or yearly subscriptions to various popular sites. You may not always use them because of your busy schedule, but at the end of the month, a significant amount of money is leaving your account. But if you spend a little money, you can enjoy your favorite live games or movies for free through various sites. Interest in credit cards. Having a credit card, many people use credit cards for necessary or unnecessary expenses. Also, credit card interest rates are higher now than ever before. But if you increase your cash or debit card uses, you won't have to pay extra month-end fees for credit cards. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more updates.